I'm back. So I found this other thing that actually is the action attribute, and then you can just like add stuff to it there. So I'm gonna go back to here, and I'm gonna say for the contact form, the attribute is actually action, and then I'm gonna add. I don't know how to do this. Because it's going to be subject. It's going to be like, okay, I give up. Hello, I don't even remember where I am with these videos, but I figured it out. So there's actually a lot of variables. So this we don't need. This is just telling us that we're getting the values from the form. So, okay, I'm going to walk you through. Here's our form. We actually don't need this action at all. Let me test that. I'm going to test that theory out. Okay, and then I added this encrypt text plain. All this stays the same. ID F name, ID email, ID subject, input type submit. And then for the contact form, when we submit it, we're getting the F name value, the email value, the subject value, and then I'm piecing together the parts that you're going to send. So the first variable is action email, which is mail to, and you can change this to Jordan's email. Then the second part is the subject line. So that's going to be this string, question mark subject equals, and then this is the variable subject. And then, so whatever that value is, and then CC email is going to CC the person's email and actually add their name as well, which is kind of nice. So all this, so it says string and CC equals plus name plus, this is actually a caret. So it looks like this. It looks like my name, and then like my email at email.com. So that's what the weird percentage 3C, and then percentage 3E is the other caret, is this caret. Okay. So after all these three are created, I'm going to just string them together. So that's what this is. I have an action value, which has this first action, then the second action, or sorry, this first part, then the second part, then the third part. I just split them up so that it was easier to read. And then, so then basically when I submit this form, I'm going to change the attribute of action to be this value. So all this stuff. Let's verify that if there's no action, that it'll still work. Refresh. Steve at email.com, blah, 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 blah. Okay, there's my string. There's my Steve. And then there's Steve's email. So that's kind of nice. Nice way to have the name. And then it actually sends the stuff as well in here. And so there you go. And that's just a mechanism of mail to, that it'll just spew any of this in there if it's the action of a form. The only thing I want to test is Steve. What if there's a space? Does it still work? Hooray, still works. Great. Okay, that was a lot of talking. I hope in the end this makes sense. Okay, thanks. Bye.